Hi everyone, this is Jana here for NBK-Design, and I have two products to show you today that is part of the Painter's Toolbox from the Winter Blues, the January 2017 collection. So I have here the dynamic rough textures, and it comes with ABR file and tool preset file. And together with that, I'm going to show you also the soft styles that we have, and here are all of them. And let's get started doing some fun stuff, and I can show you. I loaded here one of the solid papers from the collection, which is this nice gold pattern, gold paper, and I already have here a new layer. I already loaded the preset file here, as you can see, the rough texture here. And I already have here on the styles, the soft styles, okay? So first let me show you here the texture of the brushes. If you have Photoshop Elements, you would load the ABR files. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start here with the number 1. As you can see here, nice texture there. You know what? Let me first start with a color. You can see it gives a nice distressed look. And number 2. It's nice texture. This is great also for blending, and if you want to apply that texture in your pages. So for example, if let's do white, do this one with white, it's a nice texture there. And you can also use with the styles that came in the dynamic brushes, the brush tools from the Snow Crystal in this collection that I showed you, and you can give there some kind of even more texture there, as you can see there. So let me grab another one. 3. Oh, this one is nice. Look at this texture. Really nice for blending as well. We wanted to be able to have brushes that help us blend, especially the styles. Look at this one. It's fantastic. Let's hide this. Let's start a new one. This is a more soft, but you can see that the power of the brush tool, if I keep, I can have light here, but if I keep brushing at the top, then it gets, more opaque. This one here is kind of a watercolor kind of style. Really nice. What a nice set to create also fabulous effects in your pictures. Start a new one. 9. Some more round crumple paper texture. Nice. 11. More of the texture in your paper there. Look how soft is this transition here. So these at the bottom, they are more paper texture, which is really nice. So you can have, if I have here, for example, I sample the color of this paper and I now brush, I can give an extra tone to it. You can see that, and you have an extra tone there in your paper. All right. So let's continue. This because I think I showed this one. Let me put the black to white. This 14. Nice kind of powder. And oh, this is nice. I see I'll be using this brush a lot. So you can do just so many things. I always looking for brushes that give me the soft blend, but also texture blend. You know, the secret of blending also is having good tools to blend. Some brushes, they are good, but not exactly to blend. So that was nice. So let me start again, and I'm going to show you yeah, here, let me show on this layer here the styles now. They're the soft styles. So let me just give a zoom here. And now let's put back to the rough style, soft style, sorry. So this is the number 1, 2, 3. Oh, nice. It's really, really nice. This 11 is really soft. So as you can see here, I want you to pay attention here because I use the rough texture brushes, and you know, you brush more in one part and this part was soft. You can see how nicely blends and goes natural, because when you're applying texture on a paper, sometimes it never goes the same, you know, thickness, and never goes the same opacity. It changes. So this is a more natural look with a digital style. 14. Okay, so let's do something fun here. I have, let me see. Let's put this one. So let me go back so you can see what I'm doing. So I had this layer here, and I had this other layer here on top. Then I'm going to apply another one, maybe this one. All right. So I can now go underneath here, and I'm going back here to the rough texture. And I can apply now another soft transition there. Maybe this one. Then if I keep brushing more, then it's gonna appear. Then I can now put another layer. Let's see this one here. And I can put this more like a cement kind of style thing. It's just so soft. So you kind of start creating like a painting. So I can go now to the top here, and let me see. And I can apply maybe this one here at the top. Okay, so now if I go here at the top, I can go to these ones that have more texture. And, oh, it's in black. So let me change maybe to a more soft color. Let's try the red. And you can give some kind of texture there. If your paper was a little bit darker, then you could use certainly the black, the white, the color of this texture here. So it's really cool. And you can now even blend this together with our older style. So if you go here and we have the Make-A-Wish shabby, and let me try number 8, and then I can put some mappy here together with this. Okay, and I can use with the rough texture brush. Let's put underneath here, and let me grab another brush. This one I can use another one from the shabby, more of this vintage text here, as you can see. Then you can go ahead again and blend again with the soft styles and go back and apply this one and put a little bit more just white there. Okay, so you can do a nice blending here and play with the styles. It's really a nice set of brushes. You can do so much of it, and I hope you enjoy. And this was a rough textures from NBK-Design together with the soft styles, all from the Winter Blues January 2017 collection. Thank you.